Hey guys, I'm on location again. I'm over at a buddy's house and his faucets won't quit leaking. So today, we're gonna put in new kits and hopefully solve that. Y'all come along, let's fix this thing. This is Clarence Cadiddlehopper and you're watching my YouTube channel. Woo doggy, let's go build, break, or blow something up. Alright guys, real quick, you're going to do this project, turn your water off. First thing, turn your water off. This is what you're going to need. You're going to need a pair of channel locks, screwdriver, and if you want to be really fancy, you can always get yourself a set of these, but you don't need them. Let's go. Let's get this thing done. Okay, so got my handles off. What do we do next? Okay, so what this does is this is actually a two-part seal, but I need to get to the entire insides. So all right, there it is. And there's the inside. Let's see if we can get it in there. Right there. I'm really trying to keep my head out of y'all's way. There's that one too. Now, there's a difference between these two, and I'm going to show you that difference. And probably one of the main reasons that this thing was not sealing up. They were getting old anyways, but you see how this one's still got its rubber seal on it? You see that screw right there on the end? What's missing? No rubber seal, no screw. It's just as I figured. It's stuck in there. So I'm gonna pull it out, and there it is. Now I'm gonna take these and I'm gonna go and I'm gonna see if I can find some just brand new ones. Otherwise, I might have to just rebuild these kits. And I really don't want to do that. I'd rather buy new ones. That way I make sure they seal up and they're good. This one's all deformed anyways. So, I'm gonna go buy some new fittings. Took them out first so that I'd know which ones. They're not all the same. Alright guys, so Got my new part, and I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in. I'm gonna show you, I'm not putting any Teflon on it or anything else like that because see, it's got rubber seals. I don't need Teflon or anything like that. Now, okay, now the hardest part of doing this is knowing which internals to get. And sometimes you just have to take it apart, take it with you, and just compare. I mean, literally look and compare. On the ones that I took out of here, they actually had their name on them. And it said it was a Phoenix product. So I looked, I found the new kits that were made for Phoenix, and then I compared the sizes and checked them out. Now, if you don't get the right one, it's not gonna fit. These were $10 a piece. Well, $10.87 I think. So we got $22 here. Now, you might have better luck getting your knobs off than I did because they were rusted completely to it. So I had to break them. So I ended up having to buy new knobs too, and they were another 15 bucks. So I got about, I think it was 40 bucks with tax and everything. Now if I had a plumber come do this, he would charge me the 40 plus add probably 20%. So now we're up to 50 in parts, and he would charge me at least an hour in labor. I don't know what y'all's plumber charges per hour, but mine has a helper, and so he comes out and he charges 90 bucks. 90 bucks an hour. Oh, plus travel time, because he has to drive here. And I'm not talking about the one who left a big giant hole at my house either. So, not real hard. Try it yourself. Save yourself a little bit of money. I'm gonna go ahead and put the knobs on and then turn the water back on. And yes, you do have to turn the water off first or it's gonna come shooting out of here. So, y'all have a great day and I will talk to y'all later. Bye. All right guys, the water's back on. No dripping. And if you enjoyed this, just hit the subscribe button. And if you want to watch more stuff like this, just check out some other videos on my channel. Thank you all for watching. Y'all have a great evening. Catch you later.